In this video, I'll show you how to configure your Asus router as an access point to easily extend Wi-Fi coverage in your home or office. Before we start, if you want to browse safely on all devices connected to your network, make sure you install NordVPN on your main router. It encrypts the entire network, protects all users automatically, and keeps your browsing private. You can find the link in the description. To begin, take the Asus router you want to use as an access point and connect it to your laptop, either with a network cable or over Wi-Fi. Once connected, open your browser and enter the router's setup page by typing its IP address, such as 192.168.1.1 or router.asus.com. When the login screen appears, enter the username and password for that router. You will see the Quick Internet Setup page, and from here, you can change the router's operating mode. Switch it from router mode to access point mode. The router will then guide you through the setup process. You'll be asked to create a new Wi-Fi network name and password for this access point. This can be the same as your main Wi-Fi network or completely different, depending on how you want devices to connect. After entering your details, continue to the next step to complete the initial setup. Now that the access point is configured, it's time to connect it to your primary router. Take an Ethernet cable and plug one end into your main router and the other end into any LAN port on your Asus access point router. This wired connection links both routers together and allows the access point to extend the existing network without double NAT or interference. Once the cable is connected, you can now connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network you just created. Any phone, laptop, smart TV, console, or device that connects to this new access point will now receive a stable signal that comes from your main internet connection, but with much better coverage in the area you placed the access point. If you want to double-check that the router is successfully running in access point mode, you can open the router settings again using its IP address or through the Asus Device Discovery tool. From there, you'll see confirmation that the operation mode has switched and everything is running correctly. Before we end, remember that even with extended Wi-Fi, your network is still exposed without encryption. That's why installing NordVPN on your main router is highly recommended. It protects every device connected to your network, even ones that can't run VPN apps like smart TVs or IoT devices. Use the link in the description to secure your entire home network with NordVPN.